In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to put or deposit money into your Aircash account. Adding funds to your Aircash wallet is simple and can be done in just a few steps. First, open the Aircash app and log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, download the app, register, and verify your identity by linking your bank account or card. To add money, tap the Add Money or Deposit button, usually located on the home screen or in the Wallet section. Select your preferred funding source. This could be a linked bank account, debit card, or credit card. If you haven't linked a payment method yet, follow the prompts to add one securely. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit into your Aircash wallet. Double-check the figure to ensure accuracy. Some methods, like bank transfers, may take a little longer to process, while card payments are usually instant. Review any fees associated with the transaction, then confirm the deposit. Once the transaction is successful, the funds will be available in your Aircash wallet immediately or within a few minutes, depending on the method used. You can now use the deposited funds to send money, make payments, or withdraw cash if supported. It's a great way to keep your Aircash wallet ready for seamless transactions. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing finances and using apps like Aircash. Thanks for watching and enjoy hassle-free deposits with Aircash.